In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix blurry icon images in Photoshop. So the first step is to select your layer and go to the image menu. Then click on image sizes. Now once this tab opens up, all you have to do is enlarge the size of your image 10 times. So add a 0 at the end of the width. This will automatically enlarge the height at the same time. Click OK. Now because we enlarged our logo, it's gonna look like this. But to fit the image to the screen, hit Ctrl 0 or Command 0 if you're using Mac. Great. Now keep selecting your image and go to the filter menu. Blur, then Gaussian blur. Set the blurriness to 5 and then click OK. Now the trick is to click on this button right here and then open up the curves menu. And basically drag the left side of this line from the left side to the middle portion. Then drag the right side towards the middle as well. And by doing that, you're gonna fix the blurriness of your icon pretty much. Hopefully this worked for you. If it did, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.